Today I am making ladyfingers. These are the ingredients: 175 grams of sugar, 100 grams of flour, a pinch of vanilla, 100 grams of potato starch, 3 whole eggs and 1 yolk. Now I prepare the yolks and the eggs. I slowly and carefully add the yolk, gently and thoroughly add the sugar and mix. Now the eggs are well whipped. Now I add the vanilla to the flour. To begin with, I gather all the necessary ingredients and carefully mix them together in a large bowl. This includes the essential potato starch, which plays a crucial role in achieving the desired texture and consistency for our recipe. Once everything is thoroughly combined, I proceed to prepare the batter specifically for the ladyfingers. This involves ensuring that the mixture is smooth and well blended, ready for the next step. I then transfer the batter into a piping bag, which allows for precise control and ease of use. With the batter in the bag, I carefully pipe it onto a surface dusted with flour, which is laid out on a sheet of parchment paper. This step is important as it helps to shape the ladyfingers correctly, ensuring they have the right form and structure. The flour prevents sticking and aids in the reshaping process, allowing the batter to spread evenly and maintain its shape during baking. By following these detailed steps, we ensure that the ladyfingers are perfectly prepared and ready for the next stage of our culinary creation. At this point in the process, I am placing the genuine sugar into the oven, which has been preheated to a temperature of 200 degrees. This step is crucial for achieving the desired texture and flavor. The sugar will remain in the oven for a total of 20 minutes. As of now, there are only a few minutes remaining on the timer, and the sugar is approximately halfway through the cooking process. This stage is important to ensure that the sugar is cooked evenly and thoroughly, resulting in the perfect consistency for our recipe. Here, after 20 minutes at 200 degrees, the ladyfingers come out. They can be stored in bags, I was saying, well sealed, and you can eat a little each day. You will find them on the dessert blog. Ladyfingers. This is the ladyfinger ready to eat, and you can also make tiramisu with it.